Good evening, friends. Today, new for me. I am uploading the video of State Board. Today, CBSE pattern, 7th standard. Name of the chapter is Algebraic Expression. It's quite no. You can't imagine also. It's so simple. Just you have to remember few things. Whatever I am telling to you. Okay. Now, in algebraic expression, very first point. Constant and variable. Constant and variable. Constant means what? Fixed numerical value. I repeat, constant means what? Fixed numerical value. For example, 2, 4, 10, 1000, 1 lakh. If you go in the market anywhere, if you write on the paper this symbol is first, it's a symbol, but this symbol is now it's a numerical and its value is fixed. Everyone will say 4. No one will say no, I think so it's 6, I think so it's 5. No, it's fixed numerical value. Such numbers are known as constant. Now got it? Means all real numbers, in short I can say all real numbers are known as constant. Still, is there any doubt? This number in the market, if you go write on the paper and if you ask your friend, what is this symbol? Everyone will say, it's 1 lakh. Yeah, of course, agree. Still doubt? No doubt. Means regarding constant, it will be helpful to you throughout your education. Constant means number, real number. Now variable. Variable are used to assign some value. Means what? For example, I can write x equal to 4. My friend can write x equal to 5. That lady can write x equal to 10. What we are doing? We are assigning some value. For somebody x equal to 4, for somebody x equal to 5, for somebody x equal to 10. So only x, you can take any variable. For example, y equal to 14. We are assigning. It depends upon the question. It depends upon the situation. It's not compulsory that in your life, whenever you solve any mathematics sum, the value of x equal to 4. No. Sum change, the value of x will change. Sum change, the value of x will change. Just we are assigning. That are known as variable. Variable has no fixed value, whereas constant has fixed numerical value. No change, permanent. It depends. Question change, the value of x, y, whatever it may be. Means if the question is in the form of x, the value of x is different. The question change. Clear? Very good. Regarding constant and variable, everyone, those who are watching this video, doubt clear. Now next point. Algebraic expression. The name of the chapter. Algebraic expression. There should be some definition, sir. Yes, there is definition, so that we can remember. The definition is combination of constant and variable. Combination साथ में होने वाले या इधर उधर होने वाले combination of constant and variable connected एक दूसरे को उन्हें जोड़ दिया, connected, इसके बाद हो connected by basic mathematical operation. कनेक्ट, जोड़ दिया. किसने जोड़ दिया? मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन. व्हाट मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन? प्लस, माइनस, डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दिस आर दी 4 मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन वो कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल को जोड़ देते हैं. और जो बनता है कुछ भी, जो तस्वीर हमारे सामने बनने वाली है, उस तस्वीर का नाम होने वाला है अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. सर थोड़ा डाउट है, नहीं समझा, एग्जांपल देता. Algebraic expression is nothing but a combination of constant and variable. 2x plus 7. x क्या है? वेरिएबल है. 7 क्या है? नंबर है. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कांस्टेंट, नंबर को तो कांस्टेंट एंड वेरिएबल भी आया, नंबर भी आया. प्लस क्या है? मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन है. सर यहां पे तो प्लस माइनस डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन सबका सब ने आना और एक साथ आना जरूरी नहीं है, बस कुछ कुछ भी आया तो भी चलेगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. फिर 2x माइनस 7, अब इसमें प्लस था, आ गया एक माइनस तो भी चलता. 2x प्लस 7 माइनस 2y, प्लस भी आया माइनस भी आया, वेरिएबल चेंज हो गए, यहां पे x है यहां पे y है, पर एक साथ है तो भी चलता. इन दोनों के बीच में 2 और x, इन दोनों के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन का सिंबल होता है. दैट इज वन सिंबल, मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन, दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. बट वी नेवर राइट whenever there is constant and variable, they are together, there is always one symbol, that is multiplication. Now in this case multiplication is also there, addition is also there, minus sign is also there. Again number and variable, there is one sign multiplication, but we don't write. Sir, division is not there. Okay, 2 upon 3 x plus 7 minus 2y plus 1. Write anything. Again 7 plus 1, that will be 2 by 3x plus 8 minus 2y. This is also algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression, all the four mathematical operation came: minus sign, plus sign, division, 2 upon 3 में division, number and variable, again there is multiplication. Means if anybody want that all mathematical operations should be there, you can take this example. If anybody wish that there should be only one mathematical operation, here is one, here is one more. If anybody want only one mathematical operation, you write down 2x. It's also algebraic expression. In these two, number and variable, there is sign multiplication. This is also algebraic expression. Means in short I want to say that algebraic expression is nothing but a combination of constant and variable connected. इसको इसके साथ, इसको इसके साथ कनेक्ट किया, जोड़ के रखा है. किसने? एक तो प्लस ने, नहीं तो माइनस में, एक साथ जोड़ के रखा है. बेसिक मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन प्लस माइनस डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज कॉल्ड अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ यू कैन टेक बाय योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो एनी नंबर एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक इट. दैट विल बी अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. नाउ वेरी फर्स्ट, वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट, डाउट क्लियर. Algebraic expression, doubt clear. Now third term, what is this term in algebraic expression? Now 2x minus 4y plus 7 upon 2 x square, it's an algebraic expression. What is term? In this algebraic expression, this plus and minus divides this algebraic expression in three parts. Plus and minus divide this algebraic expression in three parts. First part, then including minus sign. Second part, including plus sign. Third part. Plus and minus separate the algebraic expression. I repeat, plus and minus. Don't think about multiplication and division. Just think about plus and minus whenever you are thinking about term. Plus and minus separate the algebraic expression. 2x then minus 4x plus 7 by 2x. कितने टर्म्स हो गए, कितने पार्ट्स हो गए? 3 पार्ट. Part 1, part 2, part 3. But in algebraic expression, this part 1, 2, 3 are nothing but terms. Means if it is given 2x minus 4y plus 7 upon 2 x square, how many terms are there? So your answer should be 3 terms are there. How to find out that? Plus and minus sign separate the algebraic expression in different part, and that each part is nothing but term. Now like term, what is like term? Okay, there is one algebraic expression, 4x square plus 3y minus 6x square plus 5y. I have written on the board. Like terms means what? Variable should be same. For example, x square Is there any one x square in this? Still doubt. Okay, first one thing you do, how many terms are there? Just now I have told how many terms are there. First tell me, in this algebraic expression how many terms are there? First, second, including the sign, third, fourth. Very good. How many terms are there? 4 terms are. Now which terms are said to be like terms? The terms whose variable and power are same. वेरिएबल एंड इंडाइस, जो पावर के सर पे ऊपर पावर होती है, वेरिएबल भी सेम होना और उसकी पावर भी सेम होना। अगर ऐसा होता है तो हम उन्हें लाइक टर्म्स बोलने वाले। एग्जांपल 4x स्क्वायर, एक इधर है -6x स्क्वायर। डोंट थिंक अबाउट कांस्टेंट 4 -6, उसके बारे में सोचो मत। x स्क्वायर वेरिएबल सेम है, उसका पावर x स्क्वायर, दिस 2 टर्म्स आर लाइक टर्म्स। 3 5 कांस्टेंट टर्म, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। y इसका पावर 1, इसका पावर 1, देन दिस 2 टर्म्स आर नोन एज लाइक टर्म्स। अनलाइक टर्म्स क्या होते हैं? जैसे कि फिर वेरिएबल अलग अलग होने वाले हैं, नहीं तो वेरिएबल सेम होने के बावजूद भी उनका पावर अलग अलग होने वाला है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2x एक टर्म है और एक दूसरी है 3x स्क्वायर, दोनों टर्म है, दोनों में भी x है, पर इसका पावर 1 है, इसका पावर 2 है, देन दिस टर्म्स आर नोन एज अनलाइक टर्म्स। नहीं तो 2x एक टर्म है और दूसरी 3y है, अगेन दिस इज नोन एज अनलाइक टर्म। अनलाइक टर्म में वेरिएबल भी सेम हुआ तो उनकी पावर सेम नहीं होने वाली, नहीं तो स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वेरिएबल डिफरेंट। लाइक टर्म्स में वेरिएबल भी सेम होने वाले हैं और उनका पावर भी सेम होने वाला है, तो हम उन्हें कहेंगे लाइक टर्म्स, और जो सेम नहीं उसे बोलेंगे अनलाइक टर्म्स।